the Divine Absolutely Smooth 10-in-1 Leave-In for Damaged Hair Conditioner. It is so nice, and you can apply it with either wet or dry hair. I like to do it wet just so it soaks in better. I put like this much, and I start off the roots, and I go my way up, and then I apply a little bit more, not too much, and then I go up here. So you wanna make sure it gets in all over. And you just do this until you feel like it actually went through. And that's all you gotta do. So, amazing. Mwah.